This video is brought to you by Original Foods. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. For this week's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to prepare a burger and some fries at home. It's a very simple recipe which you can prepare pretty quickly and anyone can prepare this. Without further ado, let's get started. For the ingredients you'll need 1 sliced onion, 1 sliced tomato, lettuce, some pickles if you want to, some garlic powder, pepper powder, 1 egg, breadcrumbs, some cut potatoes that have been boiled in the water for a little bit, minced meat, salt, burger buns, cheese, Mum's algérien sauce, and Mum's Big Up sauce. And now, let's get started. First, we're going to start off with the fries. Add some salt. The garlic powder, paprika powder, breadcrumbs, oil, and mix it together using your hands. Cook it in the oven. Heat up some oil in a pan and add the onions. Add some salt. When it's done, it should look caramelized. In a bowl, add the minced meat. Add salt. Pepper powder, garlic powder, one egg, and breadcrumbs. Mix it together using your hands. Now roll it up and make it into a patty. Now first, using the butter, we're going to make the burger buns crispy. Cook the meat. When it's done, you can add cheese on top to make it taste even better. Now let me show you how to put the burgers together. First, you put the pickles at the bottom. Place the lettuce on top of the pickles. Then the tomatoes. The meat. The onions. The big up sauce. Some more lettuce. Another piece of meat. Some more big up sauce. And then you can close the bun. Now while I put the burger together, I want to tell you guys today about our sponsor, Original Foods. Have you been looking for the perfect sauce for your next meal? As you might know, the secret to a perfect burger is a good sauce. Well, that's why I'm happy to tell you guys about Original Foods. Original Foods is a halal company based in England that sells great sauce which you can order online. The mama sauce I'll be using today is the Algerian sauce, which is very popular nowadays, and the Big Up, which is McDonald's Big Mac sauce. Those are my two personal favorites, but I'm sure you'll find something that suits your taste on their website. If you're interested in getting these delicious sauces for an affordable price, then head on over to originalfoods.uk, that's originalfoods.uk, and use my coupon code CookingWithMaria, that's CookingWithMaria, for 10% off your next purchase. Again, thank you so much, Original Foods, for these amazing sauces. Please make sure you go check them out. The link will be in the description down below. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you want to see next, subscribe for more, and like if you enjoyed this. Please make sure to check out these sauces on the originalfoods.co.uk website if you're interested. And don't forget to use my coupon code CookingWithMaria. I will see you guys next time, and don't forget, keep smiling.